Good morning, all of you. Today we will see next nuclear reactions as concerned. That is our topic nuclear chemistry. The reaction is nuclear fission. Nuclear fission reaction is taken. Now fission means breakdown of the nuclear reactions. How that is breakdown can take place? Heavier nuclei is broken down into lighter or smaller nuclei having medium mass, and during this here tremendous amount of energy can be obtained. It can be released, and therefore this can be studied as. Now this nuclear fission reaction, it can be first of all studied by the scientist Otto Hahn and F. Strassmann. They have studied this reaction as concerned to nuclear fission. And in case of nuclear fission, that is, first of all, this reaction can be studied by the two scientists, Otto Hahn, F. Strassmann, in 1938. This reaction, it can be studied in 1938 for the breakdowns, for the fissions, and therefore it is called as the nuclear fission reactions. Now what happens here, that is the breakdown of the heavier nuclei into two medium mass containing nuclei, and during this tremendous amount of energy can be given out. And this reaction, for this reaction he have taken uranium 92 235, that is mass number is 235, atomic number is 92. The bombardment of the neutron is bombarded, and totally it can be used as the two medium mass containing, that is, one will be barium, second will be krypton. Now barium possesses 56 atomic number, mass number is 141. This will be 36 atomic number, this mass number will be 92. When this can be counted, that time it is found that 3 neutrons can be ejected. Along with here, there is tremendous amount of energy can be obtained. You can say 227.27 millineutron volt energy can be obtained, and therefore this reaction can be studied by these two scientists. Particularly, it is called as the nuclear fission reaction. Fission means heavier nuclei is broken down into two lighter nuclei, and therefore totally it is called as the nuclear fission reactions. And this fission reaction is not this nuclear fission. This name is not named by these scientists. Only breakdown can be takes place. But again, two scientists comes on later. That is, you can say Frisch and Meitner. Frisch and Meitner, they have studied this reaction, and it is named as a nuclear fission reactions. And this phenomenon can be done in 1939 by these two scientists. And therefore here, this how the energy can be released. This energy can be released as concerned to the mass defects. The change as concerned to the mass defects. When we have taken as the, you can say mass of the mass of the products can be taken. Again, it can be subtracted by the mass of the reactants, and mass defect can be obtained. And therefore, this energy, how much energy can be evolved, this idea can be related with the mass defect. Mass defect is most important, and this mass defect equal to mass of the product. Mass of product can be taken minus mass of the reactant. Now this mass of the product and mass of reactant can be taken into considerations. How much difference will becomes, and this can be related with the energy. You can say E equal to mc square. This mass defect can be taken, and totally velocity of light can be taken, and this energy can be obtained as concerned to nuclear fission reactions. And for the fission reactions, here two types of the you can say nuclei will becomes. One will be lighter nuclei, second will be heavier nuclei will becomes. Now lighter nuclei, it can be possesses you can say here that lighter nuclei. Now when we have taken lighter nuclear, the mass of the lighter nuclear, this will becomes mass can be taken. Mass this will be 80 to 100 can be taken, and atomic numbers, that is atomic number can be taken as concerned to the atomic number will becomes in between the 35 to 42 atomic number. The elements which having atomic number 35 to 42, they will becomes in case of the lighter nuclear. Again, heavier nuclear can be taken. When you have taken heavier nuclear, in case of heavier nuclear, the mass numbers can be taken as concerned to when we have taken as a mass numbers, and this mass number this can be taken as concerned to 132, 150 mass number can be taken. Atomic numbers can be taken. How the atomic numbers they will becomes, when the atomic number this will becomes as concerned to 51 to 58. These are the atomic number having the elements. Such lighter nucleus will be taken, such heavier nucleus can be taken, and energy can be obtained. And when we have taken as a thermal neutrons for production of the energy, fission reactions, that time what happens here, we should take uranium 235. Uranium 235 can be taken. Again uranium 233 can be taken. Again thorium, that is 241 can be taken. Plutonium 239 can be taken. Now these nucleus they can be used for the fission reactions, and this fission reaction can be shown as concerned to the bombardment of the, you can say, neutrons. How the neutrons can be bombarded? One neutron, when it can be bombarded on the uranium, firstly it can be used as 3 neutrons. Just we have seen here the reaction. Suppose you have taken uranium 92 to 35. You should bombard 1 neutron. Now generally what happens here, this is the uranium, it can be used as concerned to you can say barium, again krypton can be obtained. We should take here, that is 56, barium 141, this will be 36, 92, and again we get as a 3 neutrons. This will be 1 neutron, this will be second, this will be third. Now again what happens here, these 3 neutrons they will be attacked on this uranium. This will be also uranium materials 235. Again here you should take, that is uranium 92 to 35. Again you should take here, that is uranium 92 to 35. That is here. Again that is 3 neutrons can be attacked on the 3 uranium materials. Again they will be used as a 3, you can say, neutrons. This will be neutron, this will be neutrons, this will be neutron. Again 3 neutrons can be obtained. We will get as here 3 neutrons. In this way, once the reaction here started, you can show here that 1 neutron can be bombarded on the target nuclear uranium. We get as the 2 particles. Now generally what happens here? Here also what happens? This can be used as concerned to here krypton, here barium, again here krypton, here barium. We should take here, that is barium, again here krypton can be taken. Now in this way, same reaction, here uranium, we get barium, krypton, 3 neutrons. These 3 neutrons they will be attacked on the 3 uranium nuclear. Again 2 medium mass nuclear, 3 neutrons. Here also 3 neutrons, 2 medium mass, 3 neutrons, medium mass. In this way, here continuous reaction can takes place, and totally mass can be converted into energy, and therefore it is called as the nuclear fission reactions. And this can be used tremendous amount of energy. How the breakdown, how it can be useful in case of the water reactor, we will see on the next lecture.